Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer, customized by Bomb for Force Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force 3rd Mile Upper Shillong.
Ka regional committee jong ka West Khasiels district kan Iakynduh ha ka khat south ring mataw banai ban jong per khat halor ka jepen bet put ha ka war ka baar pereng ka sarkar Meghalaya bat Assam ya kan nilai thu do menteri ka sarkar jala ubolong ru chairman kan ka committee uba danik tan tonghar uba danik tan ulong bahaga ni ka Iakynduh ka ban long hanong ston on dan lang ki kli nong sen charge nong jong ka te ka than.
We have constituted the committee, so we have got the co-opted members, so we will sit the members of our committee as well as the co-opted members. We have already, the Deputy Commissioner Austin has already notified the co-opted members.
So, in the first phase, there have been challenges in the first phase. I mean, despite you all doing...
challenges will be there on the first phase is there, on the second phase also will be there, and we will try to meet the challenges. We'll be having meeting on Friday, coming Friday.
So
11 o'clock in the morning.
This meeting,
This
will be for you to take the views of the stakeholders, or what is the objective?
Yeah, that's the main thing, to take the views and opinion of the stakeholder, of the members in the committee. We have co-opted the members in the committee who are concerned about the border problem and who know also and who have the idea. So we expect that they will give us good inputs.
So that's what, sir. What I mean to ask is, in the first place, we saw a lot of resentment from your area also. Like, of course,
how
the
do you
government
ensure
says,
that the
how will you
committee
ensure
will...
that such a thing doesn't repeat?
You see, we will do the best we can, but I cannot assure you that there will be no resentment. No, in fact, we want that 100% people will be happy, but it may not be 100%. But I wish there will be many people who will be happy, and especially I expect that those villages who really wants to be in Meghalaya, especially the local people, because ethnicity is one of the criteria that we consider. We hope the government of Assam will respect that, and they will come to Meghalaya. They will fall under Meghalaya. So that's I wanted.